We all want to make a difference. We all want our dreams to come true. For a better world, empowered marketing builds high-quality, sustainable websites. Everyone knows this symbol, but most aren't aware that there is a hierarchy. Reduce, reuse, recycle is in that order for a reason. Reducing consumption has a significantly greater impact and is the way forward to a sustainable future. Sustainable web design matters. 4% of the world's energy is consumed by the internet sector. The 5 billion internet users perform 1 million searches every 11 seconds, just on Google. 6.3 billion searches per day and trillions of searches per year. The median page weight of a website today is over 2,100 kilobytes. It is even higher for WordPress sites. Websites built by empowered marketing typically have a page weight under 500 kilobytes. That's less than 25% of the median. That translates to massive energy savings. Imagine if the carbon produced by your website over an entire year could be sequestered by a single tree. Green web hosting uses renewable energy. It makes a difference at the data centers. However, green hosting doesn't address energy use once the data has left the server. This includes data transmission and energy used by computers, phones, and tablets. This wasted energy could be used somewhere else. Sustainable web design relies on the use of industry best practices. Unfortunately, most design agencies are more focused on building websites fast instead of building fast websites. Sustainable practices make your website more effective. Better results in search engines because of the quality and organization of your content. Better user experience because usability is a core requirement of sustainable web design. And better conversion rates because users are engaged and your website is faster. Better design, better world.